Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. Actually, we have two questions. This one is a more tricky one, so try to solve both questions. And for shout out, comment your answer. I will give shout out to you. Okay. So here, what we have 8 divided by 2 into 6 minus 2. So if you think there are many ways, so try to solve by your own. I will solve stepwise and with the help of PEMDAS here. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to do for this parenthesis part. We will write again our question 8 divided by 2 into 6 minus 2, which will be 4. Okay, now if you think like 4 into 2, that is 8 divided by 8 and answer is 1, then you are wrong. This is not the correct way. We will solve in a correct way. As we know, we have here division and multiplication operations and both have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this 8 divided by 2 part. So when we divide 8, actually we will write again for better understanding what we are going to do. Now when we do operation this 8 divided by 2, we will get 4 as answer. So here our final answer will be 4 times 4, which equals to 16. So here 16 is the right answer. Comment your answer. And coming to next question, this one is little bit tricky, but if you solve stepwise you will get the right answer. So we will write again PEMDAS, so you don't forget the order of operations. First, as you know, first we have to operate the PEMDAS parenthesis part. So here parenthesis is this. We will write again 8 divided by 4, 3 plus 1, which equals to 4 square. Now for exponential. So here 4 square is nothing but 4 into 4, which equals to 16. So we can simply write 16 here. So our equation will be 8 divided by 4 into 16. We can write like this. So don't write to solve like this. 16 into 4, that is 64 divided by 8, and 8 divided by 64, that is 1 by 8. This is the wrong way. As I mentioned earlier, division and multiplication have same priority and we have to solve left to right. So first we have to do this part. So we will write again 8 divided by 4 into 16. So we will solve this. 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2, and we can write 2 into 16. Okay, so 2 into 16, that is 32. So here 32 is the right answer.